And hello there again, the fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is another double unboxing. We have here Owashi Akatsuki Gundam and Shiranui Akatsuki Gundam. Now, this Gundam was released during when Gundam Seed Destiny was airing, and the box art just got reprinted with the new brand here, the Bandai Namco, and yes. I just watched Gundam Seed Freedom and just remembered why this was not included, or kind of sad why it was not included. And anyways, going back to the unboxing, so we have Owashi Akatsuki Gundam, which is the Earth base form, wherein it's more the Earth atmosphere type, and we have Shiranui Akatsuki, which is the space type. Again, double unboxing. So like you can see here, Owashi is with the Murasames, while here Akatsuki we have the Archangel in the background. Now going into the sides, we can see here front and back of Owashi and Akatsuki here. Of course, they have the same base Gundam, but of course different backpacks. And off to the other side, this is where you can see that it was piloted by two different people. Yes, Owashi was first piloted by Kagali, and then in Shiranui's case, it was piloted by Mulaflaga. So let's open up and see what are inside the box. Okay, so we zoom in. Owashi first, and yes, it's made of gold or gold plated parts. So one bag with all gold and all gray. Yeah. Another bag with gold and another darker gold or bronze like one, and some dry transfers. Another bag with a big sticker and multiple gold parts again, and lastly a multicolored part. And of course, we can't forget the instruction manuals with Owashi Gundam here and Kagali over here. Now opening Shiranui Akatsuki Gundam. Let's remove that, and let's see, we have one big plate of all gold. This on the side. Another, I think this is the same part with Owashi, multicolored, and yep, more bags of gold stuff, and yep, the instruction manual with Shiranui Akatsuki Gundam and Mulaflaga. Now let's open up and see or compare sprues. Okay, so now here we have it, both of them side by side. We have the Owashi here and then the Shiranui over here. So for Owashi's A sprue, this is it, in multicolored sprue with some red, clear red parts, gray and black. And looking over the A for Shiranui, of course, since it is coming from the same mobile suit, most of the parts are the same except for this part here, which is, this was red, but here it's clear light blue, and they added this part here. So that's the A sprue for both of them. Lots of similarities except for the color and an additional part. Okay, putting it to the sides where it will not do anything. Okay, next up is the B sprue, which I think is 100% the same. Yeah, so 100% the same for both of them. So this is B sprue, which is all gold plated, that is. We have some silver on the back. Yeah. Next is the C. This is the C of the Washi, this is the C of the Shiranui, which is again 100% the same for both of the kits. Yep. So again, just showing this is the speed sprue for both, which is 100% the same, and both of them have a C2. Now for the C2, this is of Owashi and this is Shiranui, wherein these parts of the Owashi is not included of to the Shiranui. Yeah, so these are the C sprue of both of them. Now the D, both of them have a D sprue. And is it the same? No, I don't think so. So this is the D sprue of the Owashi and this is the D sprue of Shiranui. Only this part here is the same, and of course some different parts here and different parts here, probably because of the backpack. Yeah. So these are the D sprues of Shiranui and Akatsuki. Yeah. Now Owashi doesn't have an E sprue, but Shiranui does, and this is this here, a E sprue, all gold, and this is more on Shiranui's backpack, and that's a lot of bits there. Yeah. So moving on, F now is for Owashi. We have an F here, which is again for the backpack of Owashi, and it also has an F2, which is this one. Yeah. So like I said, Owashi was the Earth-based atmosphere suit, while Shiranui is the space-based suits. And of course, both of them has this plastic polycaps for the joints. Now they also have different transfer sheets or dry transfers. This is Owashi here, which is for the orb, and this is Shiranui here, which when it got transferred to Mulaflaga, it became more military-like. However, for the stickers, this is Owashi stickers and this is Shiranui stickers. Now it is very confusing for me because some of their parts are the same, especially on the shield, but I don't think they included stickers for the shield. The stickers for this one is more in the backpack, while here no stickers for the movable suit, just only for the eyes. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That's just what's inside the boxes of Owashi Akatsuki Gundam and Shiranui Akatsuki Gundam. This was both released 2006 during Gundam Seed Destiny, and yeah, I missed out on that opportunity. That's why I bought them now, and here they are, and I unbox it for you. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, subscribing, and commenting, and sharing the videos. And until next time, see you, and thank you.